Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial on how to transfer money from Remitly to Chime in 2025. If you're dealing with international transfers or just managing your finances across apps, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. Remitly is a popular service for sending money globally, and Chime is a fantastic mobile banking app, so linking them up can save you time and effort. First things first, make sure you have both a Remitly account and a Chime account set up. You'll need your Chime account details handy, like your account number and routing number. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Remitly app on your phone or log in to the website. Once you're in, navigate to the Send Money or Transfer section. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Select the option to add a new recipient or bank account. If you've transferred to Chime before, you might see it listed, but for a new transfer, you'll need to enter the details manually. Input your Chime account information accurately. Double-check the routing and account numbers to avoid any delays. Step 3. Choose the amount you want to transfer. Remitly will show you the fees and exchange rates if it's an international transfer, so keep an eye on that to ensure it's cost-effective. Then, select your funding source, like a linked bank account or debit card. Step 4. Review all the details on the confirmation page. Make sure everything looks correct, including the recipient's info and the transfer amount. Once you're good, hit the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. Processing times can vary, but it usually takes 1 to 3 business days. A quick tip: always use secure networks when handling financial transactions, and keep an eye on your Chime app for incoming funds. If you run into any issues, both Remitly and Chime have excellent customer support. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from Remitly to Chime in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.